Hey guys, so this is an update on the trade idea I posted yesterday. I posted this one here on the DAX. I was looking for a possible flat structure, a running flat, and it's finally starting to move. Took a while. Look at all this noise, right? If we go to the 4-hour, it looks way cleaner. We have price pushing up here. So we have a three-way structure here and a three-way structure here and another possible impulse. So I posted this yesterday, and if we go to the 15-minute, we can just see. Look at how messy, right? It's been correcting here forever and it's finally moving. Let's put on VWAP indicator, and I had this on my chart yesterday, this level here that I was looking at, and we see that we stayed above it and we bounced off this level. So this is an indication, right, that buyers are holding this area and they're still holding it. So this definitely gives strength to this pattern here. So you never trade patterns alone or in isolation. Always have multiple variables that drive your pattern's probability. So look at this as well. Look at these wicks on the 1 hour at this area. So buy opportunities right in here are very good. Like, this is a high probability scenario. So yeah, I just wanted to give a little update on this trade, and for now it looks good. And I'm just going to move my stops and keep an eye on the structure, because just because the pattern is here and the price action right now and is going well and price could push up, this is not a certainty, right? Many things can happen. Unexpected things can happen. We have to understand this, risk reward it's a dynamic process. As the market move, I will need to adapt and adjust. If the market does, let's say it drops sharp like this, right? Then suddenly, what if this is a continuation structure, a 1, 2, 3, to go one more down, So we have an impulse, correction, and another impulse. That's possible, but it's just not the highest probable move right now that I see, based on the information, based on the data, okay? But this is why we have to adjust and adapt. So with that in mind, let's monitor this trade and trade with care, and thanks for watching.